हेलो गाइस, सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस करें बेल आइकन को ताकि आप हमारे वीडियो सबसे पहले देख सकें।
Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Student, today we will study the second chapter from Footprint Without Feet book. The name of the chapter is The Thief Story. Is going to be very quite interesting story which is written by Ruskin Bond. Through this video lecture, I will give you a very easy explanation, summarization of the story so you can easily understand about this chapter. Before proceeding, let me tell you that even before I uploaded a lot of useful videos which can be quite useful for you, so must check it once, and in same kinds of videos we will continue to run. So stay connected with our channel and share and subscribe. So student, today's video is going to be quite much interested, so let's start the video. Student, if we talk about this story is about 15-year-old boy who calls himself Hari Singh in this story. Actually, by profession he was a thief. That's why he kept changes his name to escape from the old employers and the police who were distrusted by Hari. So, in this story, he called himself Hari Singh. And the other person in the story is 25 years old struggling writer whose name is Anil. So student, we will read in this story that how the personality of good person remove the fitment of bad human. So the story begins when Anil was watching a wrestling match. Looking at the Anil, Hari Singh started thinking that he had not robbed anyone, and he thought that now Anil is the right person for his work. The thief meets Anil and somehow he tried to talk with him. He took him in confidence and tell him his name is Hari. Actually, Hari is the false name in his story. Later, he asked that he want to work for Anil. Looking at the pitiful condition of Hari, he said that now he won't able to pay him, but he can feed him if he can work. Feed him means he can provide him food. Hearing these words from Anil, he agreed and lied that he know how to cook. Anil took him in his room, which was above a sweet shop. It was first time for Hari cook the meal which was really bad. After that, with the anger, Anil asked Hari to leave the home. He started smiling in a most attractive way to please Anil, but could not stop laughing at him. Later, he treated him like his younger brother. Anil helped Hari to make a presentable person in society. Anil teach him to how to cook and writing number and his name. Hari liked to work for Anil as he make daily morning tea for him and he go to buy essential thing for home. There he used to steal 1 rupee daily. Anil knew everything, but he never mind that. By profession, Anil was a struggling writer. He used to make money by irregular work. He used to borrow money, and later when he get money, he would go out to celebrate with his friends. One day, Anil come with 600 rupee and told Hari that he sold his book to publisher and he kept that money under the mattress. Looking at the money, all of a sudden Hari started thinking that he had been working for Anil and he had not stolen anything apart from 1 rupee. Hari started thinking about money. He realized now this is the right time for his purpose. But on the other side, Hari was also thinking about the trust that Anil had on him. And this trust thing was preventing him to do so. Then he also thought if he did not steal money from Anil, then he would waste this money on his friends and he would do parties. And he also thought that Anil did not pay him for his work. Now he pre-planned for everything. At the night, quietly crawled towards Anil's bed and he withdrew money under the mattress. He decided to leave the city. He would catch Lucknow Express, which was scheduled to depart on 10:30 at the evening. When he reached the station, the train was moving slowly. He could have easily caught up the train, but he did not do so. It was 600 rupees in 50 rupee notes. For that, he was going to shake the trust of Anil. This was the big question for him. Now, the train had left. He was all alone at the station. He sat on the bench. Suddenly, it started raining. He was feeling guilty on himself. Now, the bundle of notes had get wet. Later, he realized he would never meet a person who will teach him, and what he had learned from him, he can earn much more than these few hundred rupees. At last, he reached the home and placed the bundles of notes in the same place and went for sleep. Next morning, when Hari woke up, he found that Anil offering him a cup of tea with a 50 rupee note. When he took the note, it was still wet. Hari felt that Anil knew everything, but he never minded that. At the last, narrator smiled, and it was genuine smile. So, student, as I have told you in the starting, that how the personality of good person removes the fitment of a bad human. So, the same thing that we have studied, that we have read in this story. I hope you understood about this chapter. If you have any doubt, so you can comment. For more updates, you can stay with our channel. If you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much.